How to turn on pin payments on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pin payments on Facebook Lite. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find the settings and then click personal and account information, not personal account, click here payments, and now Facebook Pay, and then just click settings. And as you see now, all you need to do is just click this one and create pin. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.